the Supreme Court has delivered its verdict on the validity of the central law for 10% reservation benefits to economically weaker sections. The bench ruled on a bunch of legal issues surrounding the validity of the 103rd Constitution Amendment, which provided this 10% reservation for EWS, and the Supreme Court has upheld it. Now, the 103rd Amendment to the Constitution provided 10% reservation in jobs and admissions to EWS, economically weaker sections, who were to be persons other than SC, ST and OBC, and whose annual family income was below 8 lakh rupees. Now, this had been introduced just before the 2019 general elections. There were as many as 40 petitions that were heard by the Supreme Court against it, including by state Tamil Nadu. So, today, the Supreme Court upholding that 10% quota. We're joined by Sanjay Hegde, senior advocate in the Supreme Court. Sir, your first reaction to this development?
Well, constitutional amendments are very difficult to dislodge. The only challenge is that it violates the basic structure of the Constitution. I am not sure whether it's a unanimous judgment, because the judgment of Justice Ravindra Bhatt had not been yet pronounced when I came on air. There will be plenty to who will see this as the course of reservations changing its tide. There are many observations in the judgment which say that reservations are not to be there for full time. I do expect that all that the Supreme Court has said today will continue to engage the nation as well as thinkers on the Constitution for quite some time. Mr. Madan Gopal, who was the former director of the National Law School of India, while arguing the matter, said that this is the ADM Jabalpur moment for social justice. Now, for those of your viewers who do not know, ADM Jabalpur was a decision of the Supreme Court during the emergency which took away the right to life in India. Today, I have no doubt that many of the forces of social justice will not be satisfied with this judgment.